Nay, we're back. We're back at Teppan Edo, our favorite place. It's so delicious. Here's where we're checking in for our birthday celebration. Hello! Here's our we're waiting for our food. Chicken and snake.
I'm the only one drinking at the table.
But it's her birthday. Yeah. We got our fun chocolate. Yummy, yummy. I can't wait for the foodie woody. Because I'm hungry. Nanny, here we are. Oh my gosh. Here's our grill. Yummy. And here's our menu. Yummy, yummy. I can't wait to dig in. Great way to exit our meal with my favorite drummers banging away at their drummies. Now, I do apologize, I don't think I filmed anything like the meat, but it was delicious. Absolutely, watch last year's vlog and you'll see what we were eating. Yeah. But it was so good, so good.
So good.
Mom, so good.
So good.
I just can't even really imagine walking right now, but here I am doing it. But it was delicious. I love their vanilla ice cream and it's top notch. Top notch. So, we are gonna kind of hang out and just kind of wait for the fireworks, I think is what the plan is. It's about 6:30, so we have about 2.5 hours to kill.
My legs are on fire!
Look at our spot. There should be no one in front of us, I think.
A dessert party.
Oh, it said it moved inside.
Oh, really?
So I think they'll just, if they come, stand. But I think they have all the way over there. So, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought this was...
But there's the Globe America, the barges. It's gonna be a great time. Renee got a classical margarita. And how is it? Strong. Real strong. We're gonna lose Renee here in just a little bit. So, yeah. So just say goodbye to her now.
Say night-night.
I'm just kidding. But it's
in case I don't remember.
Yep. It's 7:30, so we only have an hour and a half, which seems shorter than yesterday, so we're good. We're doing good on time. It's raining a little bit, but clouds don't look too bad behind me. Not really.
I'm gonna FaceTime.
Just a little sprinkle, which is annoying, but other than that, whatever. So we might take some shifts to go shopping. Mom might go get herself a beverage, and we're just gonna hang out and be the cool cats.
I gotta go potty.
Okay.
Sorry. Sorry.
Here we are. Only a few minutes left to the 4th of July fireworks. We got a perfect spot.
Perfect spot.
For the birthday girl. There's no one in front of us as of right now. We got the fireworks are gonna be right there. And I can't wait because it's one of my favorite fireworks shows because of the finale. The finale is just beautiful.
American independence, we invite...
Mind-blowing. Unbelievable.
Renee's crying. Mom's arm hair stood up.
I knew it was unbelievable. I could not.
They were phenomenal.
Best birthday fireworks I've seen in ever. In 22 years.
I personally love them more than Magic Kingdoms.
Yes.
Magic Kingdoms are great and cool, but Epcot's just, she stepped on someone, blow you away. Blow you away. Sorry, we're in a mob of people just trying to fish through here.
I just got talk smacked on.
By himself. Whew, we made it out of the crowd of EPCOT. And we
I'm hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
I'm sweating balls.
But but anyway, the fireworks
I
incredible.
can't even put to words.
Yeah, it really you really can't. You just have to see
Even though I'm a
them.
sensitive woman, I cry.
Like, you just have to see them for yourself. There's no words that can describe how massive they are. So we're walking back to the hotel and we're gonna skadooby-dooby and do some, who knows, we might get a snack for Brené's birthday. And then who knows what we're gonna do really. Probably not stay up too much later because we gotta get up a little earlier.
Oh, pepperoni pizza.
Yeah, but we're going to Animal Kingdom early, so who knows what we're gonna do. Here we are chilling on the boardwalk because this is our hotel. Cookie, crazy. And we got some desserts. Brené got the 4th of July cupcake. I got a Mickey brownie. Mama got an Oreo cupcake. And then they also got a personal pizza that we're waiting on.
It's coming.
Yeah, so we have drinks, food, family.
Stinky armpits.
Stinky armpits. Sore feet, sore legs, and a good time. So yeah.
A headache by Zach.
Oh yeah, pizza.
Baby, look at that.
Pizza.
Pepperoni pizza from the pizza spot on the boardwalk. How's your cupcake, mother?
Oh, and 50 cents to watch the table.
Heavenly. No words.
I have no words to say what this cupcake is. It is.
She got that cake. My brownie's delicious. My white tea, delicious. Everything's just delicious here at Disney World. Can't get over it. Can't get over it. Alright, we're back.
Hey.
In the hotel room. I don't know. She's trying to get her pen off, but she can't.
It was stuck.
We're back. We're getting ready for bed to get ready for our sad last day here at Walt Disney World. We had a great 4th of July. We had great fireworks, great fun, great food, great everything. So with that, we hope you had fun watching, as much fun watching as we did making it. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Howdy. Bye.
Bye, Mom.